Hi, and welcome to Speedy Publishing's e-commerce website. In this video, we're going to cover how to create an account as a representative of a retailer or bookseller. To begin, head over to the Speedy Publishing website, then click on Sign In or Register. Then click on Register New Account. You will be taken to the registration form where you can fill in your information. Enter your name, company name, and if applicable, select your customer type. Under customer type, there are 6 options to choose from. Individual refers to a personal, non-business account. School represents K through 12 schools, colleges, and universities, including campus bookstores. Library is for institutions identified as a library by the American Library Association. Bookseller or retailer is typically for bookstores or companies that buy for resale. Wholesaler is typically for large distribution companies that sell to retailers. And other can refer to non-profits or any other business types not classified as an individual. Select the option that best fits you. Next, add your main email and choose a secure password. When ready, click the Register link. You'll then be taken back to the home page, and you will notice that the Sign In or Register link has been replaced with a My Account link. Click it now to be taken to your account. This is your account page, which will show all your previous orders and your existing address book. You will then want to add the address you want your books to be shipped to by clicking on Add a New Address. Enter your new shipping address. Once you've added your new address, it will be saved for the next time you place an order. Now let's check your discount based on the type of account you signed up for. First, let us search for a book using the keyword Grade 3 Math. Next, select the first book on the list to be taken to the book's detail page. On the book's detail page, you will see your customer classification below your Buy Now link. In this case, because you signed up as a bookseller, you can see the minimum cart quantity, the percentage discount being applied, and the new discounted price applied to the book. Finally, when you place the order for this book, the discounted price will appear during the checkout phase. It is important to note that your discount only applies to the price of the book and not to the shipping cost. That's it! You now know how to sign up as a reseller. Thanks for making it speedy.